Hey YouTube, it is late March, early April in Southern California, so time to get the snow tires, winter tires off and summer tires on. Everything is from Harbor Freight. This is their 3-ton floor jack, a couple of jack stands, a crossbar, and torque wrench. Let's work on this side first. Before I get started, I want to mention cloning the TPMS sensors, or when you switch out the tires, the low tire pressure light will turn on. It looks like you could do it yourself now. I bought my car in 2017, so this thread was a couple of years after me. What I had to do was figure out the ID for all 4 tires, send this number to someone to program, and they sent me back 4 new TPMS sensors. Just finished this side. Our summer tires are these Geolanders all-terrain G105s on Method MR502 rims. The winter snow tires are Blizzak's DMV2s on Enkei RPF1s. Let's work on the other side. Another intermission on how I keep track of mileage. My winter tires are directional, so the left ones will always be on the left. I carved L1 into the rim so I could keep track of which one is which one. The summer tires are not directional, so I carved 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not very good at this. I was very overdue for this rotation and clearly overdue again, so I should go back and rotate them. Got the right side done. My rims come with a key to fit the specific lug nuts. I think it's supposed to prevent theft. I will tighten and loosen these in a star-shaped pattern. Always make sure to follow instruction manuals on how many pounds per foot. This one is set pretty close to 88.5. Super excited to have the summer tires on there. Video 34 done.